Coming through!
Surprise! Sorry about that.
Come on! One more free! 4 to go! Try to keep up!
I got your backs! Oh, yeah, it's almost like we're a team.
You brought a baby to a battle.
I wouldn't do it if I were you. God, I love that dragon.
Sorry we're late for the party!
You're right on time.
That's it. That's it. How are we gonna get him off her back without hurting her? Near the facial hair!
Oh, I have missed this.
Me too!
See that there? Oh, cute. That's a bad omen. You're cursed. Yes! Oh, good on you! I guess you're not so bad after all.
Oh, we've got problems.
Take it down, Hiccup!
We need a better plan! And quick! What are you doing? Okay. Both of us! Fighting over a dragon? That's your plan? This is. Save him. I knew you'd come around.